Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I do have a very quick special unboxing of a few new things that I picked up for spring. Starting off, we will take a look at some products from Dior Beauty, from Holt Renfrew, which is a Canadian department store selling luxury goods, and Miu Miu. So without further ado, let's get started. First up is Dior Beauty. I ordered a couple things for spring, which I'm gonna unbox with you for the first time. I love Dior's packaging. It's so elegant and pretty. It almost makes you not want to open it, just because it's so gorgeous, but of course we're gonna open it. I'm so excited to share this with you. I don't buy makeup too often. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So what is this? Okay, it says Dior phone ring. I believe this was a special gift with purchase. Oh, how cute. There's also a little charm. Personally, I'm not sure if I would put this on my phone, but I need to see photos and look into it a little more, but that was the free gift. Okay, so now let's move on to the makeup. Wow, it's really pretty. And it's in the color 003 Lilac Mania. So let's open her up. Okay, that is very pretty. It's a very light shade of purple. I highly recommend it if you don't have a highlighter already. And next, I have a Dior pouch. Let's see what's in here. I think it's more samples. Smells sweet and floral. Next we have another perfume, and what is the last product? Okay, this is called Sakura. The last thing I got was a Dior Addict lipstick. This is in Rose Celestial. And wow, that packaging is gorgeous, you guys. Beautiful. I thought this would be the perfect rosy color for spring. I'm so glad that I purchased this. So that was everything that I picked up. And let's move on to the next item. So the next item is a purchase, another beauty purchase I made from a department store called Holt Renfrew in Canada. Holt Renfrew is also very generous in giving samples. The sales associate who helped me worked directly with Saint Laurent. So I have some samples of their lip products. Very cute. So what I purchased was the viral YSL Make Me Blush blush. And this is in the color Pink Voltage. Wow, how gorgeous is this, you guys? So pretty. I did have the associate match this color to my skin tone in store, and I love it. It's a very pretty light colored pink. This is a very buildable coverage and does claim to last 24 hours, so we will see. This is going to be my spring and summer blush. I think it's always good to treat yourself for the work that you do. For me personally, I wanted to celebrate a few momentous occasions I've had and some milestones and things I've accomplished. So that is all I purchased from Holt Renfrew, and we'll move on to the final unboxing. This is not a true unboxing, to be honest with you guys, because I've already used this several times since getting it I've been in this bag for about a week straight. It is so fun to use. It's just a feeling I can't describe. I love it. So inside we have the tissue here, and it does come with the crossbody strap, which is adjustable. But here's the strap. As for the inside, it is black, and it's more of a satiny finish. It has a satiny kind of feel to it. Like the interior feels a little bit thick, which I really like. There are 2 pieces of enforced leather here on either side, and then right here. So even though the bag is small, look how wide it can open. Here you also have a credit card slot. It does say Miu Miu right here. Very cute. And this leather quality is impeccable. It is so soft. Lately when I've been in public, I've just been kind of touching it like this because, again, it's extremely soft. One more thing, I'll show you guys the hardware. So it does say Miu Miu here, and I really like how on the metal portion of the hardware there is also a leather pull tab, so that stops you from always having to touch this part, and I'm sure that'll keep it from tarnishing. I also really like how the Miu Miu logo is neatly printed on the front. Overall, it is quite pricey, but I will say it is worth it because of the use that I'll be getting out of it. I probably used this bag already more times than a lot of my other luxury bags, and I just got this last week. One more thing I'd like to mention about this bag is that even though it may appear to be quite slim, this is almost 2 inches in width, and the leather expands, so you can hold a lot more than you think. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fabulous review of some beautiful luxury products I just recently picked up. Stay tuned for my next videos when I do some more detailed reviews for my Miu Miu bag, and I do have some more very special purchases to share with you all. So until next time, take care.